Dear students, good morning. Today we will continue with our chapter number 4, National Movements in India. In last session we saw about great national uprising of 1857, about boycott and indigenous movements, about Muslim leagues in India. Today we will discuss about birth and development of extreme revolutionary movement. So revolutionary activity in India was started by Vasudev Balwant Phadke. The other revolutionaries were Damodar Chafekar and Balkrishna Chafekar brothers, Veer Savarkar, Badrinath Ghosh, Khudiram Bose, Praful Chaki, Ram Prasad Bismil, Asfakullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru, Sukhdev, Batukeshwar Dutt, Roshan Singh, etc. were there. So, these all were the revolutionaries. The Indian National Congress was divided into two groups, Jahal and Mawal, at the Congress conference in Surat, and the terrific opposition to practice of Congress of making only resolutions and requests. So when the Indian National Congress founded in 1885 was split between the moderates means Jahal and the radicals means Mawals at the Surat sessions in 1907 as the radicals did not approve the constitutional methods of the moderate leadership. बाल गंगाधर तिलक, बिपिन चंद्र पाल, and Lala Lajpat Rai led the radical factions and inspired the Indian youth in the nationalist struggle. Lokmanya Tilak had declared that the freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. This became the maxim for the freedom fighters. Now we will discuss about some revolutionary activities. The revolutionary movement spread in the different parts of India. Alipur massacre, Howrah massacre, Kankori loot and dropping of bomb in Central Assembly Hall at Delhi were the notable act of this revolutionary activity. These embrace martyrdom with the shouting slogans Vande Matram and Inqilab Jindabad. Now, let's discuss about some revolutionary activities or movements in Gujarat. So, in Gujarat, Arbindo Ghosh was the pioneer of revolutionary movements in Gujarat, and his brother Barinder Kumar Ghosh and Purani brothers prepared the youth in Gujarat for revolutionary activities. Barinder Kumar involved some middle class youth from Vadodara, Charotar regions means Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Mehsana in these revolutionary movements. And in this relation, the buggy of Viceroy Minto was bombed outside the Raipur Darwaja in Ahmedabad. The revolutionary movements also spread outside India. Arv- Aurobindo Ghosh described the scheme of revolution in book named Bhavani Mandir. It was also translated into Gujarati and published in General Dakshina. Along with this, these booklets with the titles like Desi Vanaspati Davao, Nahwana Sabu Banawani Reet, Kasrat, Gulabono Kisso, Kaidani Sangarth, etc. were published in order to spread the thoughts of revolution. Now, revolutionary movement spread outside India. Many overseas Indians formed organizations to support revolutionary activity and spread resentment against the British rule in India. Viceroy Minto and the Secretary of State for India, Lord Morley, gave an installment of reforms in 1909. These reforms is known as Morley-Minto reforms. So till here we see today. We will discuss more about this chapter in our next video. Till that, thank you. Have a nice day.